Today I'm showing you a completely free AI model called Ernie 5.0 that comes preloaded with over 40 professional templates designed to make you look like a full-service agency even if you are working solo. This is not about generating content faster. This is about using AI to land bigger clients while the tool handles the execution. And by the end of this video, I will show you exactly how to access it and turn it into billable work this week. I'm Paul James, and I help people turn free AI tools into real leverage without needing expensive software or a massive budget to get started. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem. When you are pitching clients, they do not care how hard you work. They care about results, speed, and presentation. If your proposal looks generic, your case studies are weak, or you take 3 days to deliver something a bigger agency can do in 3 hours, you lose. And most solo operators lose because they are stuck doing everything manually. You end up trapped in a cycle where you can only take on low-paying clients because you do not have the bandwidth to handle anything bigger. That is exactly why you need a system that does the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy and client relationships. This is where something I call the pre-built prompt system comes in. Instead of starting every task from zero, you work inside templates that already have the structure, phrasing, and format optimized. Think of it like having a team of specialists who already know exactly what deliverable you need before you finish explaining the project. Ernie 5.0 builds this directly into the platform. When you log in, you're not staring at a blank chat box hoping your prompt works. You are looking at a library of templates organized by the exact type of work you need to do. Each template has blue highlighted sections where you drop in your details. Everything else is already written. The AI knows what output you need before you finish typing, and later in this video, I will show you how to use these same templates to land clients, not just serve them. That part is massive. Here is where things get interesting. Ernie 5.0 ranks among the top AI models globally according to LM Arena, a platform that tracks and compares hundreds of models across categories like reasoning and problem solving. You can access Ernie 5.0 free through LM Arena if you want a basic version. But if you create an account on the official Ernie website, you unlock the full template library, unlimited image generation, document upload capabilities, and the ability to generate complete web apps and interactive tools. All free. No credit card, no daily limits, no paywall after 3 tries. Let me show you the templates that actually matter for building a service business. If you need structured content from scratch, the Deep Creation template handles reports, scripts, white papers, proposals, or anything requiring an introduction, organized body sections, and a strong conclusion. You define the format and topic. The AI delivers a complete piece you can edit and ship. No rambling, no filler, just clean output. For refining existing content, the Rewrite template lets you paste text and define the tone shift you need. Maybe you need it shorter and punchier. Maybe you need it more conversational for social media. Maybe you need it more authoritative for a corporate client. The template handles all of that without changing your core message. Most people never realize this part. The expansion template takes short drafts or rough outlines and builds them into full pieces with examples, explanations, and depth. This is perfect for turning a bullet point list into a training module, expanding a product description that feels thin, or taking a quick idea and turning it into a complete article. And the promotional template creates ad copy with hooks and calls to action already structured in. You define what you are promoting, who the audience is, and what style you need. Hook-driven, benefit-focused, urgency-based. The AI delivers in full ad format, ready to test. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Here's where this changes everything for agency owners and freelancers trying to scale. These templates help you land clients, not just serve them. Use the promotional template to write cold outreach emails that actually get responses. Instead of sending the same generic pitch everyone ignores, you define your service, your target client, and the specific pain point you solve. The template structures it like a high-converting ad with a strong hook and clear value proposition. You can generate 10 different versions in 3 minutes, test which one gets the highest reply rate, and suddenly your outreach starts working. I have seen people go from 0 replies to booking 3 discovery calls in a week just by using better structured outreach. Use the Deep Creation template to build case studies that make you look legitimate. You define the client problem, the solution you provided, and the results they got. The AI creates a structured case study with a narrative flow that positions you as a professional who gets results. That is something you put on your website, send to prospects during sales calls, or use in proposals to prove you know what you're doing. Most solo operators skip case studies because they take forever to write. You are building them in 10 minutes. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. Now the money angles. If you offer content services, these templates let you create full articles for clients in half the time. Instead of spending 3 hours staring at a blank screen, you spend 30 minutes directing the AI and another 30 minutes editing the output. That is 4 times faster. If you charge $300 per article and you can now handle 4 clients per week instead of 1, that is $1,200 weekly instead of $300. That is real leverage. For YouTube creators building a channel, the expansion template turns your rough outline into a full script with better flow and stronger hooks in 15 minutes. For ad managers running campaigns for local businesses, the promotional template gives you 10 different ad variations in 5 minutes. You test them all, identify the winner, scale it, and your client sees better results while you look like a genius. Ernie 5.0 also handles document analysis, which is massive if you work with clients who send you long reports, contracts, or research papers and expect summaries. There's a template that lets you upload a PDF Define what information you want extracted, and the AI delivers a clean summary with key takeaways and action items. No reading 50 pages, no highlighting and note-taking for an hour. Just upload, prompt, and done in 3 minutes. You can sell this as a standalone service to busy founders, executives, or consultants who hate admin work. Same thing with meeting notes. If you recorded a client call, strategy session, or team meeting, you paste the transcript into the template and it organizes everything into what was discussed, what was decided, and what the next steps are. That is a service lawyers, consultants, and project managers will pay for. Then there is image generation. Ernie 5.0 does not just create images from text prompts. It also lets you edit existing images using natural language. You upload a photo, tell it what to remove or change, and it handles the editing without you touching Photoshop. This is perfect for freelancers doing thumbnail design, product mockups, social media graphics, or visual branding. You also get access to style-specific templates. Need a professional logo design for a client? There's a template. Building out visual content for a travel brand or real estate agent? There's a cinematic photography template. Creating educational materials or infographics? There's an illustration template. And because there are no daily limits like most AI image tools, you can iterate until it looks exactly right. You are not stuck with 3 generations and then a paywall. You keep going until the client is happy. Let me give you a quick real-world example. Imagine you are consulting for a gym owner who needs help with their marketing. They need 10 social media posts for the month, a refreshed website homepage that converts better, and a lead magnet to capture emails from people interested in personal training. Normally, that is 3 separate projects requiring 3 different skill sets and probably a week of work if you are doing it all manually. But with Ernie 5.0, you handle all of it in a single afternoon. You use the promotional template to generate 10 different social posts in 5 minutes. You use the deep creation template to draft the new homepage copy with a clear value proposition and strong call to action in another 15 minutes. You use the image generator to create a professional lead magnet cover, some background graphics for the website, and maybe a couple branded social media templates. Total time, maybe 90 minutes. You charge the client $800 to $1,200 depending on your positioning. They are thrilled because everything is done fast, looks professional, and actually works. That is what happens when you stop wrestling with blank pages and start working inside a system that removes all the friction. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Most people think AI tools are just about generating content faster. And yes, speed matters, but the real value is in the decision-making you skip. Every time you sit down to use an AI tool without a template, you are making dozens of tiny decisions. What should the prompt say? How detailed should I be? What format should I ask for? Should I include examples? What tone do I want? All of that adds up. It slows you down. It drains your mental energy. And half the time, you still get a mediocre result because your prompt was not structured well enough. Templates remove all of that cognitive load. The decisions are already made by people who tested what works. The structure is already proven. You just fill in your specifics and execute. That is the difference between spending 2 hours on a task and spending 20 minutes. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after mastering this. You wake up, check your client queue, and instead of feeling stressed about deadlines, you feel confident because you know exactly how long each task will take. You open Ernie 5.0, load the right template for each project, and start executing. 2 hours later, you have delivered 3 projects that used to take you 2 full days. Your clients are happy because the work is done fast and looks professional. You are profitable because you can handle more volume without burning out. And you still have the rest of your day to take on more work, prospect for bigger clients, or just take time off. That is what leverage actually feels like. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.